Well, I've dragged the old trials bike out. Seems the shit weather's here, and the teaser has now been put away for the winter. I want to ride Summit. Problem is, the last time I had it out, it wouldn't start. So I'm going to have a quick mess about with it and see if I can get it running. I'll just put my work bikes on. See if I can get it to kick. Oh, she fired. Doesn't want to fucking start. Give it a bit of feel. In fact, I think you're supposed to put the throttle wide open on these. And then let it off. Fucking hell. Doesn't want to fire. Don't know what's wrong with it. It's got fuel in. It sounds like it's got enough in. And I can see a bit. We'll try putting a bit of fresh in. Well, there's plenty in there now. Right. Oh, what a bastard thing. Oh, it's doing my head in. My foot's fucking killing. What's that doing? Just put it on the wire wheel. Look at that. Right. See if that's done out. Fuck all. Well, she looks wet. Can't see much of a spark there. Doesn't look like there's a spark. Don't know if I've got another plug in here somewhere, maybe. I don't think I have. I'll just try one of these to see if I can get one of these sparking at least. We'll try this other plug and see if it sparks. Well, that's definitely sparking. So now the original ones decide to start sparking. It might have been where I had it. So maybe the plug isn't the problem. Maybe it's not getting the fuel that it needs. Or maybe it's just being a bitch to start. Bit of carb cleaner. See what that does. I'm sick to death of this. I bought this bike because it's supposed to be reliable. I'm going to buy a beater. Or a gas maybe. Pissing thing. Right. We'll give it some fuel, shall we? Nothing. Oh. What the fuck on? Oh, get on. Oh. Fuck knows. Don't know why it won't start. I can tell you one thing, my foot's killing. What's under here, look? So there's a load of leaves and shite in there. Filter's obviously doing its job. Well, it's definitely a fuel problem. God knows what. I'm going to have to take some bits off and have a look. Seems to kick over and want to start on the fuel that I'm pouring down the cylinder, but when I give it throttle it just kills it straight away. So before I delve into this anymore, like checking the timing and things, if anyone has any ideas what might be wrong with it, feel free to let me know. So it's a 2006 4RT. So I don't know if there's any safety cut-offs on it, like a fuel cut-off or something like that. I don't know much about these, to be honest, so if anyone knows anything, please let me know in the comments. So what I'll do in the meantime, I'll order a plug for it, and some bits and bobs to give it a service, because it's going to need that anyway, and I'll put it back together and just put it at the back of the garage out the way until I get those bits, because I've got plenty of other jobs to be getting on with. Next week I'll be doing a bit more work on the 3MA, so look out for that video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel It'll help support my channel. Also, I've got lots of great giveaways coming ready for Christmas. So I'll be doing some live free draws closer to Christmas, and I've got some fantastic bike merch that I'll be giving away. So don't forget to tune in next week for that video. And also tomorrow I may possibly have another video on the Merc repairs. So the Mercedes, it's all repaired, it's finished now, it's gone back to the customer. I've just got the video to put together on the finished repairs. So I should have that aired tomorrow. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.